this morning we're going to be having a very short review, looking at least 4 or 5 instruments that I have decided on already. Okay, so at least 4 or 5 instruments. We will consider those instruments, and between now and 8:30 will be done. Quite a number of persons will join us very late and begin to ask, please, I didn't get this repeat, and I'll not be able to do anything about that, because it starts 8 o'clock, right? So I'm sure that before 8:30 we will even be done, or not before 8:30, because we're not taking time at all. Also note that we will also be updating the WhatsApp channel with trades and entries and all that. So you want to watch out for that, okay? So let me go ahead and share my chart with us. First of all, I looked at Forex Factory. Found out that we do not have as much high impact, but we have some. We have some high impact. If you see my screen, we have high impact by 130 and by 430. By 130, we'll be having core PCE price index on the dollar. And then by 430, we'll be having Fed chair, Jerome Powell will be speaking by 430. Now, in Switzerland today, they're having their bank holiday. Europe, Germany is having their bank holiday. UK, they're having a bank holiday. Canada, they're having their bank holiday, So the dollar is going to be very active today. You understand? The dollar is going to be very active. So let's go ahead and let me share my chart with us. Let's quickly look at this instrument. First of all, we will check out the dollar index. Remember that we said yesterday that when we're looking at the dollar, especially yesterday afternoon, we said that the dollar returned. At that time, the dollar was somewhere around here, right? The dollar was somewhere around here. And we said the dollar returned to take volatility, to take liquidity. If anybody remembers, yesterday, towards the afternoon session, dollar was selling to this place. And I was telling us that dollar came to actually fill this fair value gap. And from there, will likely pick up strength to the upside. And that is what we've seen that has happened, right? And so that's why something like Euro USD actually still sold, currently resting on this support. We actually also said that we're going to be looking out for a sell on Euro USD, right? And that was actually the case. We had a good level of sell on Euro USD. I would really say that this week has been good. When it comes to analyzing the market, has been good. And I really hope that we have been very profitable. Okay. Now, that said, on the 4 hours, Euro USD is approaching a point where, kind of being resisted or rejected in the past, like a weak support. But I always say that the support is a support. You understand, whether weak or strong or brilliant or intelligent, whatever, the support is a support. So I feel like Euro USD will likely see head to the downside. I expect Euro USD to head to the downside. So, like I have been doing for this week, there are 2 ways we're going to trade that. Number one, we actually have, if you check Euro USD right now, Euro USD is actually on a support right now. It's on a support right now, and it's possible that it makes some level of retracement. It's possible that it does some kind of retracement before it heads back to the downside. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be looking out for a sell on Euro USD from this point here. I'm going to be looking out for a sell for Euro USD. If this retracement actually happens, I expect Euro USD to retrace towards this zone, after which I expect it to actually still fall. Okay, so I will be looking out for a sell. I will be looking out for a sell from 2 points. The first point I'll be considering selling Euro USD is 1.07890. I'll be looking at selling Euro USD one from 1.07890. Okay, so I'll be looking at selling Euro USD for 1.08790. Now, the truth is, Euro USD seems to have, this is on 15 minutes. It has broken structure. What do I mean by it has broken structure? Euro USD has actually closed below this point. This was the last low, right? But Euro USD has broken that point. So what is likely doing is just heading back or peak liquidity and head back to the support zone. So I honestly still feel like this sell is going to happen. This sell is going to continue. Okay. So that is why I'm looking out for selling at 1.07890. I'm looking out for a sell from 1.07890. And then if I'm selling from there, I expect price to return back to this particular point, which is around 13 pips. Around 13 pips. So if I'm selling from 1.07890, I'm selling it around 13 pips in mind. With a very good lot size, you can do make very good profits from that. You understand? So not selling at the current price, I'm selling at 1.07890 to expect price to head back towards the support. Okay, that's Euro USD. Let me look at gold. Like I said, we're not looking at, oh wow. I don't know what else. For those people who did not make a lot of money from gold, the best I can just say to you is there's going to be another time, because I don't know how best to put it. We looked at gold for the past 2 days. I've encouraged us to actually sell gold. I've spoken with us in the morning, I've spoken with us in the afternoon, and my encouragement it's been to sell gold. I even told us yesterday that gold was going to make a new high, and this is it. So we cannot buy here because this is a new high. If you're not already in the buy, well, you can't buy here. This is a new high. It's very possible that price will retrace, and then we can now join the buy. But for those who did not hear, or for those who had and did not take advantage of it, I'm going to repeat myself. We noticed that even when price retraced here on the daily time frame, price was closing higher. You can see the wicks like this were going higher. And we said that when price begins to make move like this, there's a high chance that you're going to get a very big push up, and we have had that. So anybody, yesterday morning, somebody was in the office, had the privilege of meeting somebody who was in office who actually did very well. And with push up, not even a push up like this, person was able to make over 1.5 in the morning. And he was like, oh, I'm done for today. You understand? These are the opportunities. I keep saying that there is no signal that will give you a long move like this. Okay? No buy here, take profit at this will give you a long move like this. But the best, it's analysis. It's when it's the most important things are the things that are said during the analysis. The things that are said before the entry is given. Those are the things you want to listen for. I will continue repeating that. Okay. So for gold right now, trust me, it's at a point where I don't want to buy right now. Okay, I don't want to buy it right now. I don't think that I will be looking at trading gold if I've not taken any opportunity in the market. I don't think I'll be looking at trading gold. So for this morning, I am actually out of gold. I will not be analyzing gold or giving an entry gold, because I cannot even calculate a retracement. I will wait for the retracement to happen first, and then maybe I can now look out for a buy. Maybe if gold retraces towards 2220, maybe if gold retraces towards 2220, then maybe I can buy from there. But right now, I cannot actually advise that you take any position on gold. Personally, I do not know any position that we can take on gold right now until it retraces. But gold is on an uptrend. I feel like it's still going to make new highs multiple times, but there's a high chance that it will retrace from here before returning back to the upside. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's move on from gold. I will not count gold as something we analyzed. So let me look at D40. Yeah, also because of the bank holiday that we're having in Germany, let's see if we have any. Oh, very good. Now, please, on our website, we actually gave information about a time change in Europe. A time change in Europe, US 30, US 100. Please head over to our website to get more information about that. US 30, US 100, US 500, US 2000. there's a time change due to the switch to summertime. Okay, there's a switch in summertime in Europe. So you go to our website, rally.trade, click on announcement to get all that. Okay, good. Now, for this Easter holiday, there's going to be some change in trading hours. Okay, there's going to be some change in trading hours. You also head up to our website to actually get that information. But for today, for DE40, no trading on DE40. Remember that we found out that Germany are having their bank holiday today. So there's no trading on DE40. There's no trading on, so let me see some popular information. No trading on corn, on cocoa, no trading on oil, no trading on oil, but there's trading on oil WTI. So we'll try and look at oil WTI. Okay. Most of the instruments that are trading, like US 100, US 2000, those guys will actually close by 10 p.m. today. They'll close by 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. actually. 9 p.m. So please, let's head over to our website, rally.trade, click on announcement to get more information. But you see, DE40 is not trading. So let me look at US 100. US 100 is currently on its support, currently on its strong support zone. It's not broken that support at all. It's not broken that support at all. Personally, if I'm trading US 100 right now, I will be looking out for a buy on US 100. I will be looking out for a buy on US 100. Guys, I would advise that we buy US 100 at least right now, instant buy on US 100 at least to 18,480. So 18,480. You can buy US 100 to 18,480. You can have your stop loss at 18,430. Okay, so I would advise a buy on US 100 right now. You buy on US 100 to around 18,480. To around 18,480. Your stop loss can be around 18,430. Now, if price closes below that 18,430, if price closes below that 18,430, you can sell further to around 18,390. If price closes below 18,430, you can sell further to around 18,390. So what have we said? We said you can buy US 100. Okay, you can look out for a buy on US 100. And if we're buying US 100, we're buying to around 18,480. We're buying to around 18,480. Okay, but we can have a stop loss at around 18,430. Oh, US on the market too is also closed. Oh, I did a quick scan on the website. Oh, okay. No trading. That's true. Even the indices that are not, all the indices are not on because of the bank holiday. Okay, I think we need to look at more currencies then. Currency is the way then. Currency is the way. We've looked at Euro USD, right? We said Euro USD will be likely sell from. If you want to do a quick trade on Euro USD right now, you can scalp a buy. If you want to do a quick trade on Euro USD right now, you can scalp a buy from current market price. At least you can buy to around 1.07840. If you're trading Euro USD now, you can at least buy to 1.07840. Okay, if you're doing a quick trade on Euro USD, you can buy to around 1.07840 Euro USD buy. Okay, so let's look at GBP USD. UK also have their we have a bank holiday in UK, but GBP USD we could also consider non-dollar pairs. Let's consider non-dollar pairs. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday we talked, I think yesterday also, we actually looked at AUD-JPY. We looked at AUD-JPY. I was expecting a buy on AUD-JPY, but it did not come as low as I expected before taking that buy. Right now, I think AUD-JPY is, we can actually trade it, JPY pairs. It broke structure here. AUD-JPY broke structure here. Went back up to fill this fair value gap, and I feel that AUD-JPY is still going to sell for that. So I can sell AUD-JPY from 98.420. I can sell AUD-JPY from 98.420 and look out for at least 20 pips. Okay, look out for at least 20 pips. So from 98.420, I can sell AUD JPY till around 98.220. So just look out for 20 pips. But I actually expect that after breaking this structure down here, it came back up to fill this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here which it came to fill, and I feel that price is headed back to this verified support. So I will be looking out for that sell from 98.420 to around 98.220. You understand? So let's move on from AUD JPY. Well, if we look at, still looking at AUD JPY, yeah, even the trend on the higher time frame is actually a downtrend. Can you see it here? Price has been making lower. Oh, sorry about that. Price has been making lower highs, right? Price has been making lower highs. Can you see it? You know, so it is that I feel that sell is actually fair. I think that sell is a good trade to take. You understand? So that is for AUD JPY. Let's look at GBP JPY. Let's consider GBP JPY on the higher time frame. GBP JPY actually on daily time frame, GBP JPY has been on an uptrend, you know. But just like I said last time, when you see price like this closing lower, you know, consecutive for 3 consecutive days, price has been, you know, the high has been dropping. The high has been dropping and all that, you know. So price is even around the place where it can likely break out, you know, because the highs and the lows are actually aligning. So GBP JPY is approaching like a I don't know how best to drive, but you know, when markets are consolidating, GBP JPY is approaching a strong consolidation point where we'll likely get a breakout market. You understand? So what do we expect? I expect that GBP JPY would actually range within this zone, like to range within this zone. You know, we have this point here, we have this point here, and then we have this point here. So it will likely range between this zone before it breaks out. Okay, and this is what we are even seeing on 1 hour. Okay, what opportunity does that give us? If it's going to be ranging, we want to be looking out for if it's going to be ranging, we want to be looking out for a breakout, or we can use limit orders. Okay, use a breakout or limit orders. How do we trade that? Right now on 15 minutes, there's a level of bearish pressure. It has hit this resistance, and so I expect a sell. Okay, so our advice to sell GBP JPY. Sell GBP JPY, look out for at least 10 pips. So you can sell GBP JPY, and then if you're selling GBP JPY right now, you can have stop loss at around 191.140. Can have stop loss at around 191.140. That's just above this bearish engulfing candle. Stop loss at 191.140, but I would advise to sell GBP JPY right now to around 190.850. Can sell GBP JPY to around 190.850. That's over 10 pips. Okay, that's over 10 pips. So that said, we've looked at so that's how I would trade GBP JPY. Then finally, let's look at USD JPY. That's currently ranging around this place here. It's created a strong resistance for itself and a strong support. Hopefully, the high impact data coming by 1:30 today would actually help price to break out. But if we look at it on the daily time frame, we see that price has not been that particular resistance point, that strong resistance on daily time frame where we expected price to reject. Price has not been able to, you know, give us that rejection. It's still be ranging around that point. Seems like price is likely going to break that resistance this time around to head up to head to the upside. Okay, but that said, looking at the kind of the way USD JPY has been trading tightly, when market is ranging like this, and a fine way to trade it will be to use limit orders. A fine way to trade the market will be to use limit orders. So before the high impact news comes out, somewhere like this, And somewhere like this is where I'll be looking to take advantage of the market with my limit orders. Okay, I'll be looking to take advantage of market with limit orders. Now, that's before the news. News happens, price can actually break. Price can actually break it. All right. But what you would say is that, or what you will see is that if we have a limit order here, we have a limit order here, we have another limit order here, So before that news, I could actually be looking out for a sell from 151.500. Could actually be looking out for a sell from 159.500. Look out for that sell. I can look out for at least 10 pips of profit. Okay, because price is ranging. I can look out for a sell from 151.500 or 151.510. Look out for a sell of around 10 pips. I'll look out for a buy from 151.110. I can look out for a buy from 151.110. Also, look out for at least 10 pips. Why am I saying this? You'll notice that price has been ranging around this zone. So that's created a strong resistance here. That's created a strong support here, right? Good. So up until high impact news or whatever, if USDJPY approaches 151.510 or 151.500, that's just 1 pip different. If price approaches that point, I can look out for a sell back to the downside. If price approaches 151.110, I can look out for a buy, because that is a narrow position where I'm just trying to look out for my buy stop, buy limit and selling, looking out for some level of rejection in the market. You understand? So that's how I would likely trade the market. Okay. Look at Euro USD. For Euro USD, we actually said that what did we say again? We said we will look to sell Euro USD from 1.07890. We said we'll look to sell Euro USD from 1.07890. But we said right now, can actually look out for a buy right now. Can look out for a buy on Euro USD till around 1.07840. Can look out for a buy till around 1.07840. But once it buys to 1.07890, we can look out for a sell and all that, right? K, you came late, so we have addressed all that. Go to our website, go to announcement page on our website. You will see what instruments are available. But basically, currencies are available. The US 100, all those guys are not available for trading because of holidays across the world. In UK, in Swiss, in Sweden, the Swiss franc, right? Bank holiday in UK, bank holiday in Canada. So go to the website, rally.trade, click on announcement, and listen, I'm not repeating again. I'm not repeating anything. People should be helping us. Should be helping us. So yes, that's it. We've looked at Euro USD. We've looked at what did we look at again? Did we look at GU? No, we didn't look at GU. We looked at AUDJPY, right? We looked at AUDJPY. We still said we're looking out for a sell, right? We're looking out for a sell from 98.420. Looking out for a sell from 98.420 with around 20 pips, right? That's what we said, right? What else did we look at? We look at USDJPY. We said we'll sell from 151.510. We'll sell from there with around 10 pips, at least 10 pips in mind. We'll buy from around 151.110, around 10 pips also in mind, right? Yeah, that is how we said we would trade this currency. So currency pairs are still available. GBPJPY, we said we'll sell GBPJPY to around 190.850. We said we'll sell GBPJPY to around 190.850. That our stop loss will be at around 191.150. 191.150, right? Maybe you don't need a good Samaritan just for you to come early. It's not the same entry. USDJPY, my God. USDJPY is 151.510 for the sell, and then 151.110 for the buy, right? So guys, this particular meeting is also recorded, right? You have it on our web, on YouTube. Go to YouTube, go to our YouTube page, Rally Trade, and then you can also still watch it again for clarity. Okay, you can watch it again for clarity. But yeah, also you can use, we've talked of the divergence. We have divergence training that's on the YouTube page. You can go and watch it. Many of these instruments might likely do divergences today around their support or resistance, and that will be a good opportunity for you to take advantage of the market. You understand? So make sure you do that. We have the YouTube page. Go and watch the video so that you can be an independent trader. Go and watch it so that you can be an independent trader. That is where there is riches. That's where there is money. Okay, it's not by 10 pips. Okay, so that's much that we will take today. I want to, like I said, okay, very good. We dropped the YouTube link. Go to the YouTube channel. Go to, when you go to YouTube, go and watch this thing again to confirm any entry that you did not get. Go to YouTube and watch it, okay, so that you can watch it from the beginning. You confirm everything that was said, you know, at your own convenience. You understand? So, but yeah, that's much we'll take. Now, we will not be having live trading session today. We'll not be having live trading session, but we will be providing market tips on our WhatsApp channel if there is any opportunity. Okay. We are not pressured to just drop trades anyhow. If there's a market opportunity, we are going to provide it on the WhatsApp channel. So make sure you are on the WhatsApp channel, you're glued to the WhatsApp channel, as well as try and go to YouTube, go to our page and learn as much as possible during this holiday. Okay, so yeah, that's much that we can take today. Thank you so much for your time. I want to wish you a very profitable trading day. God bless you. Bye for now.